Good morning, class 12. My dear student, today you will learn integration by substitution. Dear student, let there is a composite function f of gx. We have to integrate this composite function. Here it is f of gx and derivative of gx is given with the multiple of dx. To integrate this, we have to assume gx equal to t. Now, we will differentiate this. So, it is g dash x is equal to dt over dx. From this, we will find the value of dx. It is dt upon g dash x. Then integration I equal to integration f t into g dash x dt divided by g dash x is cancelled out. Now we integrate f t with respect to t. Then we will put the value of t. Then putting the value of t after integration. After integration. Dear student, it is a direct integration, so it will be very easy after making the substitution. Dear student, now see the example. Let there is sine of x square into 2x dx. Dear student, here we substitute x square as t. Then derivative of x square, it is 2x. Is equal to dt over dx. Then dx is dt upon 2x. Then this integration I equal to sin t into 2x and dt upon 2x is cancelled out. Now it is sin t dt. Dear student, you know the integration of sin t, it is minus cos t. So it is minus cos t plus c. Now put the value of t, it is minus cos x square plus c. So integration of given function is minus cos x square plus c. It is the integration of sin x square into 2x dx. Dear student, now come on the exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Integrate the following functions. Integration 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Here we assume 1 plus x square is t. Then 0 plus 2x equal to dt over dx. Then dx equal to dt upon 2x. then this integration becomes 2x upon t into dt upon 2x. Here 2x cancel out and it is 1 upon t dt. Integration of 1 upon t is log t plus c and value of t is 1 plus x square. So it is log of 1 plus x square plus c. So integration of given function is log 1 plus x square plus c. Now next is question number 3. Question is integrate 1 upon x plus x log x dx. Dear student, we will take x common. So 1 upon x, 1 plus log x dx. Dear student, here we will substitute 1 plus log x equal to t. Then derivative of 1 is 0. Of log x is 1 upon x is equal to dt over dx. Now value of dx is x dt. Then integration I equal to 1 upon x into t. Value of dx is x dt. Here x cancel. Then it is 1 upon t dt. Integration of 1 upon t is log t plus c. And value of t is 1 plus log x. So it is log of 1 plus log x plus c. Now next is question number 5. Question is integrate sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b dx. We have to integrate sin ax plus b into cos bx plus ax plus b dx. Dear student, here we will multiply and divide by 2. Or another method, see both the method. The first method, multiply and divide by 2. It is 2 sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b dx. Then it is 1 upon 2. It is a formula of 2 sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta. So it is sin of 2ax plus 2b dx. Here we will take 2ax plus 2b equal to t. Now differentiate it. It is 2a x1, 2b 0 equal to dt over dx. Then dx equal to dt upon 2a. Then integration I equal to 1 upon 2 sin t and dx is dt upon 2a. Then it is 1 upon 4a. Integration of sin t is minus cos t. So it is minus cos t plus c. And value of t is plus b. So it is minus 1 upon 4a cos 2ax plus 2b plus c. Final answer I equal to minus 1 upon a cos 2ax plus 2b plus c. It is the one of the method. Dear student, in another method, we can suppose either sin ax plus b as a t or cos ax plus b as a t, because both are the derivative part, then we can integrate the function easily.